na itong. And this is our hotel, baby. Show us our hotel. Ikaw ang aking tour guide. Ito ang aming chinekinan dito sa... This is our hotel. Bali Hostel. This is Switzerland.
And I have a badge also.
I have the badge,
I
personal
show you how
badge.
to enter inside here. The magic badge.
Magic badge.
You put it here.
Etong wait, show ko lang yung...
And then
Makita
the door
yung
is
waterfalls
open.
dito. Ayun, ang waterfalls. Kinakita dito. Ayun. Ang aking vlogger kahabang buhay. Sa aking best. So, this is, kailangan daw tayo ng shoes. Oh, you're here. Ang galing ng shoes. Kailangan ito may picture na lang sila dito. Lebron, you're here. And hello mga pretty, this is the Hotel Bali Hotel that we check in. This is their pwede kang magluto. I very recommend it because may sarili sa kitchen, super linis. Ayan. Yan. And napakadaling mag-check-in as in. Super linis look. And then here, meron kayong mga rep dito na pwede nyo ilagay yung mga pagkain nyo. This is it. Kami ito, room 12 kami. So, ito yung mga pagkain namin. So, may mga kanya-kanyang room. So, may separation. And this is the kitchen. Super clean. And this is our room. This is our room. Hi to my vlogs. Mga kapuri.
Hindi nakakalaki.
So, there are 4 rooms na aming kwarto. Yan, a double bed. And kami ni Papa Baby ko is here. And medyo makalat dahil sa gamit namin. Pero, it's an awesome. And nag-request ako, mga ka-friend. This place is so awesome, mga ka-friend. It is night na. Bukas napakita ko sa inyo. Ito, oh wow, this is the place you have to listen. May balcony siya. Bukas napakita ko sa inyo. Bukas, umaga. Okay, so see you mga ka-friend. We'll see you on my next vlog. Very good. I highly recommend this Bali Hotel in Switzerland. Luther Run. Okay. And nga pala, papakita ko pala sa inyo yung mga this is their this pala yung kanilang toilet. Ito. Tapos may pachinelas sila. Bawal mag-sinelas. And one more. Bawal nga palang kailangan iwanan yung mga shoes dyan. Tapos may pachinelas sila. So, may chinelas na ganyan. Lahat kami. So, and then ito ang toilet. Super linis. Super clean toilet. May yakang dumi. And this is the shower. Paliguan. Yan. Super linis. Diba? Ito is share kitchen and share toilet, share shower. So, you just need to respect all lahat ng rules. Wala naman, nung nag-check-in ako, super easy lang. So, ayan. Yan. Tapos, share kitchen lahat. So, tapos ito yung aming room. Ito lang. So, napaka-mabilis. Tapos, ang ni-request ko, mas maganda sa inyo mga ka-pretty, is request nyo na yung kwarto nyo is harap mismo ng waterfalls. Kasi ni-request ko, yun mismo sa waterfalls. So, that's it. Tomorrow ulit. Bye-bye!